like midnight, past midnight, and you know, that's my cat. You know when you're on YouTube for a little bit longer than you probably should? That's what happened. And I'm not even gonna talk about it, I'm just gonna do it. The reason why I'm whispering is because Damian's currently asleep. This is where my hair is at. So I literally only watched one YouTube video. One YouTube video on this, and it turned out nice on that, so kind of hoping for that for me too. Fingers crossed. Exactly. So like the first part that they did, guys, I don't even know what the fuck I'm doing. So in this part, I'm just adjusting my hair, and the video that I watched was by Best Dressed, which I will insert right here. And yeah, I'm just gonna let you listen to what she says.
Afterwards, this seems to be the fatal point when you do the twisty, because it gives you like the illusion of control.
I look like a barcode, what the heck?
So I am going to not do that. I'm actually just gonna separate out the two little end bits so that I'm left with those nice little face framers around the edge of the bangs, and I'm gonna go in just for the middle section. Oh.
So should I just do it? I'm gonna cut right here. Why are we doing this? I did it. Okay. Wow. Why did I do that? Oh no. Okay. Should we just like cut more? So I'm gonna cut. So I saw Ashley do this from Best Dressed, and her bag looks so cute.
And then I'm also gonna do a couple of these numbers where you just kind of go down the front of the hair and give it a light little like whoop 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 whoop.
She said to go whoop whoop. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just kind of like, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just like chopping hair. Just gonna do that, and hopefully that. So big. Guys, this is also like my fabric scissors. Wow. So let me straighten my hair and like kind of style it. I don't know why I'm doing this. This is so late at night. I have hair in my eyes and my sink curtain. I'm gonna make a TikTok about this. Anyway, I'll be back. I kind of dig it. It's not that bad. It doesn't look too bad. It's a little, you know, crazy. I still gotta get used to it. But it's kind of cute. I want to go to bed before I cut my whole entire hair and I become bald. So this is editing Kayla. I'm kind of whispering because he's not feeling so good. It is January 1st, 2020, and I'm finally editing this video, but I wanted to come on here and end this video because I forgot to, because I went to bed right after cutting my hair. This is like how they're looking right now. They're not that bad. I do need to trim them, but other than that, they're pretty good. I've gotten used to them. So thank you guys for watching, and I will be uploading a lot more this year, so just be patient with me, guys. I have a whole little 3-year-old who I need to take care of. So excuse my crazy hair, but I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.